if you're a marketer looking to advertise a technical software product, ad creative is really important. I think you know that already, but just to make sure that we're on the same page, the key reasons why ad creative is important. One is it's a driver of effectiveness. Better ad creative has been shown through research to impact more customers, has been shown to improve brand recall. There's a connected value here of customer acquisition cost influence. So better advertising tends to drive the cost down, right? Increase the effectiveness and driving the cost down, as well as influencing the audience to really understand your product, connect with your brand, which has a lot of really positive long-term effects. Yes, so ad creative is really important and helpful for any kind of advertising. Why creative for technical software companies is usually difficult. There's three different things that need to combine within the same kind of ad creative engine. And this is technical knowledge. This is also marketing knowledge and also creativity, right? All of those three tend to be very difficult to coordinate, right? Two of them, like marketing and creativity, for example, is kind of better understood, right? And it's being done a little bit more often. But when you try to add technical knowledge and things like specialized technical language, specialized technical concepts, then it gets really difficult. And you need qualified, trained teams. You need processes to be able to work with that. And then, of course, you need to kind of be visual, and you need to be visual in ways that really resonate with your core audience. Yes, and this is not a given for any kind of illustration that you're going to be producing. You need to be meeting the expectations of the advertising platforms, as well as the audience, as well as hit the technical topics that you are looking to advertise, really. So how Wizard On Demand solves this through our ad creative process. We work with clients mostly in the developer tooling space and enterprise infrastructure spaces through the following process. We source creative opportunities, and it can be in various ways, from briefs from clients, from launch materials, from Slack conversations, research, so on and so forth, right? So it's a generally quite a multifaceted process. We create draft messaging in something like what I'm showing here. So this is just Figma, right? And we use Figma quite extensively. We draft messaging, use creative kind of examples from the past or from other companies to try and get inspiration and try to land on concepts that really will work. We then develop the actual concepts that we're going to be using for advertising, so developing the visual language, and potentially using memes or not using memes, trying to work with current cultural elements that are around us, trying to understand the concepts that are being used currently in the space. We create draft ads, get feedback from the client. So everything here involves feedback because you are the one who understands the business much more than us, but we then come in with industry context and we come with advertising context. So this is a really good kind of combination, right? That tends to yield very good results. And then we polish and customize the ads for the various platforms. Because for Meta, for example, you kind of need to have a lot of ad variations. You need to have all different sizes. You need to be careful with placements of calls to action, for example, things like that. So this is a quick rundown of our advertising creative process. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to book a meeting below on this page to ask any questions or get any clarifications. Thanks for watching.